to explain the construction material subject, and this first topic I'm going to explain about the rock. Rock is nothing but maybe is defined as an aggregate of minerals from formed from the earth crust. They are not having a definite shape, chemical composition, and are not on the homogeneous, which is nothing but which are formed in the earth. ఇవి ఎర్త్లో అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటాయి అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ నాట్ డెఫినెట్ షేప్. నాకు దానికి షేప్ అంటూ ఏముండదు, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇర్రెగ్యులర్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ సర్కులర్ ఆర్ ఎనీ డిఫరెంట్ షేప్. And nowadays also stones are widely used in civil engineering construction. First of all, I am going to explain the stone is nothing but stones are available in the nature of as a rock in large quantities, is used as construction material for most civil engineering projects. The main projects which is useful for the stones are dams, buildings, bridges, etc. In the building materials from ancient times, since the commencements of the human civilization, in the before only the stones are used for that ancient times, and the engineering structures set up of in different materials such as stones, bricks, sand, clay, iron, steel, timber, plastic, rubber, glass, etc. In the different materials which are used for that engineering materials, we can also known as an engineering materials for the steel, timber, iron, clay, sand, bricks, etc. And this necessary for the civil engineer to know quality and also properties of the material at the different seasons. In it is if an engineer become convenient with properties of these materials, which is nothing but a good strength, we have to know that what the materials we should be using for the construction materials. So what the uses for the stones, let's I'm explaining. Stones is nothing but marble is used. First I'm telling about the marble is mainly used for that modern temples and also buildings also. It improves the appearance of the structure stones and also facing of the buildings, and this is improves the appearance. And stones is used as a coarse aggregate, which is nothing but big size of the rocks or big size of the stones. And the cement concrete also useful for the, and also mortar also useful. And stones are used in ballast at the railway track, and which is nothing but రైల్వే ట్యాక్స్లో స్టోన్స్ అనేవి యూజ్ అవుతుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ బలాస్ట్ అనమాట యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ స్టోన్స్ అనేవి హైవేస్లో కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. నార్మల్గా ఈ స్టోన్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్లోర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద టైప్స్ నౌ వీ సీ ఇన్ Kadapa slab stones are be available for the used for the general construction for the parapet outside of the walls or in the flooring. Slate is used for the construction of roofs. Mainly slate it is used for the roofs construction purpose. It is on low cost. And now I'm going to explain classification of rocks. Generally we have the geological classification, physical classification, chemical classification. In that geological classification we have igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. These three types are the geological classification of the rocks. First of all, I am going to explain the igneous rocks. Igneous rocks is nothing but external layers of earth is become very hard, known as an igneous, formed after solidification of magma, which is nothing but the earth which having the external అంటే ఏంటంటే ఎర్త్కి ఎక్స్టర్నల్ లేయర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ రాక్ అనేది చాలా వెరీ హార్డ్ అయినప్పుడు అండ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ది స్లాడిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ మాగ్మా అంటే ఏంటంటే వాల్కనిక్ ఎరప్షన్ అనమాట. అయితే వెన్ ద ఎర్త్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ బర్న్ స్టేజ్, ఇట్ వాస్ మనం ఎర్త్ అనేది బర్న్ స్టేజ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాల్టైన్ మాస్లో ఉంటుంది. స్లోలీ ఇట్స్ బికమ్ అన్ యాస్ అండ్ కూల్ డౌన్ అనమాట. The cooling started from the surface. The external outside or the top side of the layers cooling started, and hence the molten mass is known as a magma. Here the magma is nothing but external layers of the or top layers of the cooling of the molten mass, which is nothing but magma, or we can say that volcanic eruption. Under that we can see the magma. And that here we have the small examples for this igneous rocks: granite, basalt, trap. Basalt is useful for that railway tracks before I told, and granite is also useful for that mainly decorative purposes. Decorative purpose is nothing but mainly it is useful for the it is more artist rock, and is also useful for the temples, mainly for the shining and appearance, good aesthetic purpose, and it's have the more strength also by comparing all the rocks. And next one is second type rock I'm explaining. This is nothing but after cooling of magma, the surface of the earth becomes hard. Natural, this can be occurred by the natural atmospheric agents like air, wind, river, sea, and get deposited in some other places. And examples, we have the sandstone, limestone, shales. What we can say here, we can say that after cooling of the magma, due to the atmospheric due to the natural atmospheric agencies and air ద్వారా wind, river ద్వారా sea ద్వారా అవి మూవ్ అవుతూ moving from the one place to place and deposited some place. And you have the in this have the small in this we have the sedimentary rocks we have in that shape of closed grained compact, and that we have the examples sandstone, limestone, shales. And another one is third one is metamorphic rock. This one occurred by that action of pressure temperature found in the inside of the earth. ప్రెజర్ ద్వారా టెంపరేచర్ ద్వారా ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎర్త్ అని అక్కర్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఫోలియేటెడ్ అండ్ క్రిస్టలేటెడ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. వాట్ వీ కెన్ సే ఫోలియేటెడ్ ఇస్ విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద రాక్స్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ ద టెండెన్సీ టు స్ప్లిట్. అంటే ఏంటంటే టెండెన్సీ టు స్ప్లిట్ ఇన్ డెఫినైట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో డెఫినైట్ డైరెక్షన్ నార్మల్గా ఒక రాక్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో స్ప్లిట్ చేసినాం అంటే బ్రేక్ చేసినాం అనుకో, హ్యావింగ్ డెఫినైట్ షేప్ ఆల్సో అండ్ డెఫినైట్ direction, which is nothing but foliated rocks. In these examples, we have metamorphic of slate, marble, quartzite, etc. And we can say that these are the formed by due to the temperature also. In the meaning only, we can say metamorphic. Meta means we can say simply morphic. Meta means temperature. We can say that. And like, share, subscribe my channel.